Woo. Some little knuckle cracks. All right. And we got some big pulling. Oh. Well, today is June 27th, 2023. And does anybody out there know what the national day is today? It is National Ice Cream Cake Day. And I was all like at work, and I said, hey, we need to do us a National Ice Cream Cake Day cake. Bye. With no other way to put it. So, anyway, I said, man, that sounds like something good. And one of my managers, he was all like, yeah, you should do that. And I was all like, yeah, we should do that. So, I said I was going to go to a store, and I was going to check it out. So, what places do you know that have ice cream cakes? I mean, there's probably a bunch of them, but I know Dairy Queen. So, I went to Dairy Queen, and I got an ice cream cake. And I also got today's taste test. Today's taste test is going to be the Choco Dip Strawberry Blizzard. Look at that. Look at that. It's freezer cold because it was in the freezer. Now I'm getting my spoon. And it smells like strawberries. Ooh, here we go. Look at that. Y'all see that? I don't want this to fall off my spoon. Ooh. That was full of strawberries. You got strawberries and chunks of chocolate in there. Oh my goodness. That's cold. But this is good. Oh, there's some strawberry. I don't know if you can see the chocolate, but there's the chocolate. Frozen strawberries.
I should have asked for nothing in 00. It's all right, everybody. I learn as I go. That's my life. I learn as I go. Oh, Lord, I should have had no 2 5.
This is good.
Oh, thank you very much. I got 23 left now. It's my last 2 cents coming up, everybody. Oh, on the last spin, I got some.
But you know what? You know what I don't remember? I don't remember them doing the blizzard test. You know how they do it? They make the blizzard, and then they do the cut upside down, making sure making sure that it don't fall out. I don't remember them doing that there. I need to go back. I think I get a free blizzard because I didn't see that. And if I don't, then I should because I didn't get to see it. That's the new rule I made. I get to have a free blizzard because they didn't do the blizzard test. Yeah. What y'all think? Y'all think that's good? Yeah. I thought you would. Alright. Here we go. Last bite. For now. Alright. I lied. This is really good. Let me get another bite. Alright. So, the Dairy Queen Choco Dip Strawberry Blizzard gets a thumbs up. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up on the YouTube and TikTok. And then go ahead and subscribe and follow on the YouTube and TikTok. And then go ahead and hit that notification bell on the YouTube so you can find out every time I'm posting a video. And then go ahead and share this with your friends and family. And then go ahead and leave me a comment. Y'all ain't ignoring. They got all types of blizzards at that Dairy Queen. You can go check them out. And you know what? We might just go ahead and do a taste test tomorrow on the chocolate, or I got an Oreo ice cream cake to to share with all my friends, which is my second family at work. All right? So y'all know what to do. We'll see y'all later on. Bye-bye.